James. Today I have a package here. So this package is from FedEx. It's actually a product I got, which is called the NX-iTouch. And this is a Android Auto Apple CarPlay device for Audi. So we're gonna open this and see what's inside. So it just came in the front door, and right now it's COVID, so I have my mask on just for safety reasons. As you can see right here, so yeah, it's air-shipped. So it came in like a week from overseas. I'm in Canada, Vancouver right now. So let's see what this is. Alright, so back to what I was saying. So here, we give you like a piece of paper, so let's just open this up. So just to recap, this is the NX-iTouch Apple CarPlay device that I got from Mr. Housebody. So basically, you want a knife and you want some scissors, and I have a ruler to measure how long it is, just for you guys to find out. And then here is the invoice they send. I did have to pay for custom duties, but that wasn't too much. It was around 20 Canadian, so not too much compared to what you're gonna see inside this box. So yeah, so you're gonna get your invoice, and then you're gonna get a shipping label. Okay, so now let's see what's inside. So let's see what's inside. You got the styrofoam, one layer, you can take that off. And then inside, we have this little poly bag. And then we have the actual screen itself. So let's just put that down here. So we got that. I'll show you that after. Very easy, just like that. And this inside, you can be sure that it is all of the cables and wires that you need to connect to this device that you see here. I'm going to take this off in a second. And now when you get this box, it's pretty easy to open. Yeah, you just open it from the side here, up, and voila, you got a lot of stuff inside. Okay, so this I already know what it is. This is going to be the new center console dash that you're going to be basically connecting to the screen. So you're going to take the old one off and then put this new one on, and then you're going to connect this on top of it like that. And here you can see this is the wiring or the harness for connecting the actual screen or the actual NX-iTouch stereo or Android Auto device. And then here we have what I believe is the audio cables. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 connectors. And then there's lots more here. Okay, so this is the MMI device, or they call it the AMI. Now this one, you can see this is a little aux cable. So this is where you plug in the aux, and then you connect this to your MMI device. And I'll show you that in one of my other videos, how to use all of these cables and connect everything together. And then this one is what you're gonna use to put everything together. So that's important. So we talked about that before. This one is the GPS device. So this comes with the internal GPS, and this is the wiring for that. So you don't want to lose this one. This is very important. And in here, you have all your screws. Now these screws, you have 2 big screws, and then you have 4 little screws, as you can see up close like that. So don't lose any of those. And then 4 little screws for perhaps this thing you're looking at. So don't lose any of that. And then last but not least, we have the button actually. So I'm gonna open this to show you. So this is gonna be the return key. So you're probably gonna replace this one. You're gonna replace what you have and replace it with this. So again, I'll have another video explaining how this actually works. This includes everything you need to actually install everything. So now we've unboxed everything. Let's look at what this screen looks like. This is the NX-iTouch. Now overall, my first impression of this is that it's a pretty big screen. So here, this is the front. This is how it would look like. Now again, this is 12.3 inches wide or diagonally. I have a ruler to measure it in a second. but this is the back, as you can see. So here I'm just gonna do a slight rotation so you can see how it is. In the video, make sure you focus and slow it down if you have to. Okay, and then here is the top. So the top. And then here you can see in the back, there's where all the cables have to plug into. So you plug this in, plug this, and then plug that. Yeah, so these are little covers that you can like screw the actual screen into your center console. So let's just put that back on. But yeah, it looks really nice. It's a nice flat screen. It's not really, it's like, I would say it's like maybe 2 pounds. It's not that heavy. You can hold it with one hand. Now, they say this is 12.3 inches. So we're gonna measure inches right now. And we're gonna see just how many inches this is. Okay, so let's just see how long this is. Okay, 1 inch. So this is the length. The length is about 12 and 3/4. So it's 12 and 3/4 of an inch. And about, in centimeters, that's about 32 and a half. So 32 and a half centimeter long and 3/4 long. So we're gonna check out the width. So the width in inches is 5.5 inches wide, and in centimeters it's about 14.5 centimeters wide. And let's see it diagonally. Diagonally it's about roughly 13.5 inches long diagonally. Now again, that's not the actual screen, so the actual screen is actually from this point to that point. So if you look at that, then that would make it just roughly 12.3 inches. For the width, it's pretty thin, so let's just take a quick look. So it's about 1 inch and 2.5 and about roughly like 2.5 centimeters in terms of depth. It's a pretty big screen. Alright, so this is the full unboxing of the NXi-Touch. So now we're just going to do a count of everything that was in the package. So first and foremost, we have the NXi-Touch, the big screen, nice and firm. Now, so we have 1, and then we have number 2. It goes right behind the NXi-Touch, so that, and then you have this one. So number 3, you got the harness, and then number 4, number 5, number 6, 7, 8, 9 items, so 4. And last but not least, there's also this little guy, which is number 10, Apple needle. I don't know why they have this, but make sure you don't lose that. And yep, that's everything in the package. So this is all the things you need to install this to your Audi A4 or A5. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and make sure to check out my other videos that kind of goes in depth of how I put everything together.